Step in my dojo, you
Step in my dojo, you
step in my.
Hey, what up? It's ill.gates coming at you from the stew with another tip. So a lot of people ask me this when they're starting out. They're like, what should I focus on? Because there's so many different things. There's synths, there's sound design, there's mixing, there's all kinds of stuff. Music theory. What do you focus on? What are you supposed to get good at first? Well, I would say as a music producer, the first and most important thing for you to learn is the process, okay? The process itself. And how do you learn that? Finishing. Learn how to finish first, even if your tracks suck, okay? Put yourself on a repeating deadline, finish a track every week. Doesn't matter if they're good. You don't have to show anybody. Just get yourself some kind of repeating deadline. Set aside one day of writing a week, couple other nighttime sessions to just like watch tutorials or like learn new plugins or collect samples or whatever, but just try and finish something. Pick simple ideas. Be like, hey, I'm gonna take this really simple hip hop beat and just copy it. You know, pick a genre you don't even work in because it'll take the pressure off. Pick a genre you don't even work in. Like if you want to make hip hop, pick a house song. If you want to make house, pick a dubstep song. But pick something real simple and then just copy where all the sounds go, but use your own sounds. Do that to start. Just finish one of those a week. Or maybe it's like, you know, you want to make a VIP of one of your tracks that you'd like to play out. Make a VIP. You know, just finish something every week and you'll get better. But the main skill to learn, the first thing to learn is finishing, because that's what's going to keep you coming back. Because if you don't make it fun, if you don't make it addictive, you're not going to come back. If you're just sitting there spinning your wheels, trying to be like, oh, you know, I got to learn this. I'm not allowed to finish something. I gotta learn this. I gotta learn that. I gotta learn the other thing. You know, just because it's finished doesn't mean you need to put it out. Finish a whole bunch of music and don't put it out, but finish it. Okay, finish it first. Put yourself on a deadline. Finish something every week, and you will get better. You will learn the process, and then once you learn the process, then make it complicated. Then go down the rabbit hole of each individual skill. But learn the process first. Learn finishing first. All right, that's my tip to you today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell, tell your friends, all that good stuff. I'm trying to do a lot of these tips for free, and I need your support to do it. So please support me by engaging with this video, and I will keep the free tips coming. Lots of love, and I'll see you next time.
It's like that.